Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Google Pixel 2. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, be sure to like the video, and if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks, other tutorials on the Pixel 2, check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the battery percentage on and off. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I mean and how to do this. So right up here in the top right hand corner, as you guys can see, there's a lot of different icons, but right next to the battery, it just shows the battery and just like an estimate of how much battery life is remaining. It doesn't really exactly give you the exact percentage of what's left. The way to turn that on, we can go ahead and select settings. Once you are in settings, go ahead and scroll down till you see battery and select battery. And on the battery screen, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the battery percentage, the second option down. If you go ahead and toggle that, you will then notice that the battery percentage does pop up right next to that battery icon. There's about 48% left of battery life left on my Google Pixel 2. And that is something that is not set from the factory device. So if you wanted to set that, that is the way to do that. Just starting off by going into settings. And if you have it on, you want to turn it off, same thing. Start off by going into settings. And once you are in settings, scroll down till you see battery. Once you're at battery, there is the battery percentage. Show the battery percentage in status bar. Just go ahead, deselect that, and it turns it right back off. So that's how to turn the battery percentage on and off for the Google Pixel 2. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.